Today's recipe is a much loved winter favourite. Today we're going to be cooking some beef stew. So let's get cooking. First thing we need is 2 pounds of beef. Now this can be any cut of beef from your chuck steak through to your more premium steak, and you'll need to cut that into cubes. Next we need a Dutch oven or heavy bottom pot and put it over a medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Place the cube beef in the Dutch oven and cook until all sides of the cubes are cooked for around about 10 minutes. Once that 2 pounds is seared, transfer the beef to a plate. In the same pot, cook 1 medium onion chopped, carrots peeled and chopped, 2 stalks of chopped celery, and cook until soft for around about 5 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Then we need to grab 3 cloves of garlic and mince them, and a 1/4 cup of tomato paste. Cook garlic until it's fragrant and the tomato paste has darkened for around about 2 minutes, and then add the beef back into the Dutch oven. Next, we need to add 6 cups of broth, 1 cup of red wine, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 teaspoon of dried or fresh thyme, and 2 bay leaves. Bring the mixture to the boil and then reduce the heat to a simmer and add some more salt and pepper. Cover and let simmer until the beef is tender for around 30 to 45 minutes. When the beef is tender, grab 1 pound of baby potatoes and halve them and place them in the pot. Simmer and cover until potatoes are tender for around about 15 minutes. Next, you'll need to remove the bay leaves and stir in 1 cup of peas and cook until is warmed through for around about 2 minutes. Next, taste the mixture and see if there's enough salt and pepper in it. Then all you need to do then is ladle into serving bowls and garnish with some parsley. And that is how you cook beef stew. So if you've enjoyed this recipe, remember to like, subscribe and share, and check the previous recipe that I've put up in the corner. My name's Philip Gale and this is Philip's Cooking Recipes, and bye for now. Today's